How's it going, everyone? Jared from Yota Expedition here. Today we're going to go over the AVS window visors that are available for the 3rd gen Tacoma. In front of me are the two options AVS has available for the double cab Tacoma. The options are going to be their standard exterior mount, and this is their low profile in-channel mount. Both of these options have some very distinct features that make them very different from each other. So let's touch on each of those to help you decide which one you want to get for your Tacoma. Let's start off with the AVS original window visors. These are going to be mounted to the exterior of the truck, and the double-sided tape is actually going to contact the painted area on the door. If this is an issue for you, you may want to consider the in-channel design. Also, take note that the originals are a tinted clear plastic. So if you like that, then the original is going to be the only option. This right here is the in-channel design. You can see it is not see-through. This is a solid matte black finish. And these are going to be mounting inside the window channel with double-sided tape, so it's not going to be contacting any of the painted areas on the exterior of the door. And these are also a little bit thinner, so they don't stick out from the truck as far. We have these two options available for the double cab, and we also have options available for the access cab Tacomas on YotaExpedition.com. Let's go ahead and cut over to Corey. He's going to show you how to get both of these installed.
Hey guys, Corey from Yota Expedition here. We got two different styles of window visors from AVS, and we're going to be showing you how to do a quick install on both of those. So we're going to start out with the original ones. These stick to the outside of your vehicle. We're going to go ahead and get the truck prepped and then get these installed. So obviously you want to make sure that your truck is clean before you go ahead and install these, but you're going to get some alcohol pads with your window visors. So we're going to go ahead and open those up, and we're going to wipe down the area where we're going to be putting the double-sided tape to assure that it's going to be super clean and we're going to have no problems with the double-sided tape sticking. So we got two pieces of double-sided tape on this particular one here. We're going to peel the backing off of this piece completely, and then the long piece we are going to peel a section off, maybe 1.5 to 2 inches on this end and on this end, leaving the center still stuck to it. So I got both ends peeled back a little bit, and I folded them up so that they're sticking out of the top. That way when I go ahead and get this thing lined up on the truck, I have access to these, and when I have it in the position where I want it, I can go ahead and pull that out the rest of the way. So I'm going to start with the left side here. I'm going to get this corner lined up. Just lightly put it in position. Come over to the right side. Line that up. Once you have both sides where you want them, go ahead and press the sides down. Now with the sides pressed down, you can go ahead and peel out the center section, and we can go ahead and we can push this all down, making sure that it's good and stuck to the body. Once you have the front ones done, go ahead and repeat the same steps for the rear. Next up, we have the in-channel ones, which I actually like these ones better. They are not see-through at all, and it's a nice matte black color, should match really well. These are going to be a little bit different of an install, so let's go ahead and get these done. Again, you're going to get the alcohol prep pads, but you're also going to get a scuff pad. We're going to be using this to run on the inside of the window channel, just to scuff up that rubber seal a little bit so that the double-sided tape has something to adhere to better. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the scuff pad and tuck it into the window channel. And I'm just going to go ahead and run this back and forth in there. After you got that scuffed up, go ahead and wipe it down with the alcohol prep pad. So I'm going to go ahead and get the backing for this double-sided tape peeled off. This one I'm going to peel off completely, and then I'll show you how we're going to get this installed. So I'm going to start with the left side. I'm going to tuck it in there. When I'm putting the window visor in, I'm going to be pushing it in so that the double-sided tape is not making contact with the seal until I get it into position where I want it. So I can go ahead and push it in. Now that I have it in position, now I'm going to pull it towards me. I'm going to put my finger up inside the seal and run it along there, putting pressure on the window visor and getting it to stick to that seal. Same deal with the back window. We'll go ahead and peel off the backing for the double-sided tape and get that into position. These are side specific, so it's pretty clear when you go to install if it's the wrong one. You can see this angle here is sharper than the one on the back side of the window. I personally like these better. It looks cleaner. They don't stick out from the body. They're nice and flush. The only thing you are going to do with this is lose a little bit of visibility because these are not see-through like the other ones that we just installed, but it's all personal preference. So once you get these installed, you're going to want to put the windows up. Once you get up there close to the thing, just make sure everything is all right and fits pretty well. Put the windows up, leave them up overnight before you go ahead and start driving with the windows down. That's just going to help ensure that they are going to be stuck good and you're not going to have any issues. So with that being said, we're going to be keeping the in-channel ones on our Tacoma. If you have any questions about how to install these or the other ones, leave us a comment down below. Or if you want to grab a set of these for your Tacoma, click the link in the description or head over to yotaexpedition.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.